lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Ruby program on IntelliJ IDEA. So first here, let's open this place command prompt. And if I write there Ruby minus minus version, then you can see Ruby 3.23 that already installed. So first you need to download and install the Ruby. Now the next is opening this IntelliJ IDEA. Now the next is here you can see project Python project is there. Then you need to click on this drop down. Let's click on this new project. So when you click on this new project here, you can click here more via plugins. Then you can select here Ruby. So first you need to download and install the Ruby. So let's click on this install button and here JetBrains as plugin homepage. So this is currently downloading and installing the Ruby on IntelliJ IDEA. So this done here, this is the status. Now this done. After that, you need to simply restart the IntelliJ IDEA. So this is opening once again IntelliJ IDEA. So this is ultimate version that I'm using. 2024 is there, and here after the next is let's click on this next new project. So this time you can see the Ruby option that's come there. So let's give your project name Ruby underscore project. After that here you need to select the Ruby SDK. Click on this plus automatically Ruby exe that's come there. You need to select this one. Click on OK. So Ruby 3.23 version that's selected there. Then after click on this create button. So let's select here this window. So Ruby project here it's creating and this is now indexing. And indexing Ruby SDK. This is the version. This is indexing here. So now the next is let's right click there, then new, and here going to create the Ruby file. So here file that's going to create, let's give you the name hello dot for Ruby. We need to give the extension RB. Press enter. Thereafter the next is here let's copy this and paste there. Ctrl S to save. Now let's click on this run. So here you can see hello world that's displaying. After that let's add the true number. So copy that to Ctrl S to save. Now let's click on this run. So here you can see the sum of 10 and 20, 30 is displaying there. So this is the most simplest way we can run Ruby program on IntelliJ IDEA. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.